Lingvist, my honest review and user experience. Is this language learning app worth it? Learning a new language can be daunting, but Lingvist promises a faster, smarter approach. I tested the app extensively, and here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong, assuming all language apps teach equally. The surprising truth is Lingvist uses AI to personalize learning based on your strengths and weaknesses. Unlike flashcard apps, it adapts dynamically, focusing on words and phrases you struggle with. The app's interface is clean and intuitive. After setting your target language and skill level, Lingvist creates daily lessons that combine vocabulary, grammar, and contextual sentences. Each lesson is short, usually 10-15 minutes, making it easy to fit into a busy schedule. One standout feature is spaced repetition. Lingvist ensures you review words at optimal intervals to retain knowledge long term. The app also tracks your progress with detailed stats on mastered words, accuracy, and streaks, which motivates consistent learning. Content quality is impressive, with native speaker recordings and real-world sentences. I particularly liked the fill-in-the-blank exercises, which challenge comprehension and reinforce memory. Pricing is reasonable. There is a free version with basic lessons, and a premium plan unlocks advanced features like unlimited vocabulary, offline mode, and progress tracking. For serious learners, the premium plan is worth the investment. In conclusion, Lingvist is a highly effective language learning tool. If you want personalized lessons, smart repetition, and measurable progress, it's worth trying. For busy learners or anyone seeking faster results, Lingvist delivers a focused and practical approach to mastering a new language.